Imagine a website that doesn't just look good, it prints money. A website so powerful it could easily fetch thousands of dollars in the market. Sounds impossible, right? Think again. Today, I'm revealing the 7 essential frameworks that turn a basic site into a high-revenue converting machine. Look, too many businesses waste money on websites that just sit there looking pretty. They lack the strategic architecture that compels visitors to act. But what if you could build sites that are not just beautiful, but are meticulously engineered for conversion, trust, and profit? Stay tuned, because I'm about to break down exactly how. First up, the Command Center Call to Action. Your primary CTA isn't just a button, it's a lighthouse guiding your visitors. It needs to be prominent, persuasive, and most importantly, sticky in your header. No matter how much they scroll, your invitation to get started or book a free consultation is always visible. Next, sales copy that hooks and converts. Write a copy that deeply understands your audience's pain points. This isn't just about describing features, it's about articulating solutions. This is where your website truly connects, making visitors feel understood and offering them a clear path forward. Third, we have irresistible features and benefits. Don't just list what your product or service does, explain what it achieves for the client. Clearly articulate the advantages, using strong visuals and concise descriptions. Fourth, the authority blog. A blog isn't just for sharing updates, it's your SEO powerhouse and a source of invaluable free content. By providing useful articles related to your niche, you establish yourself as an expert, attract organic traffic, and nurture leads. Fifth, that is undeniable social proof. In today's market, people trust what others say about you more than what you say about yourself. Integrate powerful testimonials, client logos, and if possible, video reviews. This builds credibility and pushes potential clients over the fence. Sixth, transparent and value-driven pricing. Don't hide your prices, present them clearly, highlighting the immense value clients receive at each tier. Break down what's included, remove ambiguity, and make the investment feel justified. And finally, high conversion design. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about user experience. Your design must be clean, intuitive, mobile responsive, and visually appealing to your target audience. Use your brand colors consistently, choose high-quality imagery, and maintain a seamless flow that guides the user effortlessly through your offerings. Remember, a $10,000 website doesn't just function well, it feels good to use, creating a lasting impression and driving action. So, there you have it, the 7 essential frameworks for building a website that commands a $10,000 value. From sticky CTAs to powerful sales copy, irresistible features, authoritative blogs, undeniable social proof, transparent pricing, and high conversion design, these elements combined create a truly powerful online asset. If you're ready to transform your website or your clients into a revenue-generating machine, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell for more insights.